Hey guys, doing unboxing video as everybody likes it. And today we have the DJI Osmo SE. It's not new, well, it's brand new to me, but it's not a new video. Just showing. Everybody loves unboxing, and then here we go. Let's do the unboxing video. Let's see my trusty cutter, if I can get it through. Oh, how do we do it? Some opening up. There we go. There's the opening right here. And just tear it up. 1,000 years later, insert animation. Sorry, I don't have animator. It's all raw. Here it is. Looks pretty nice. So now, interestingly, the opening is right here. Not sure if you can see. Okay, now we can see. So open right here. How do we do it? It's very awkward at these videos. There we go. It's open right here. See the green tab? You gotta pull it. There we go. Pull, and then we have to pull from here, I believe. Yeah. Got it. Sorry, I'm zooming in and out. Here we go. There. Let's see. These are the instructions. Our videos are gonna be much smoother from now on. Create magical moments. It's the instructions, I believe. Oh, it's a pouch. It's a carry pouch. That's nice. What is this in here? Nothing. Pouch is nice. There is something bump stops maybe. I think spare. That's our spare. And here's the instruction booklets. Let's leave them there. Let's leave the pouch. This is a nice pouch. It says Osmo. And here is the star of the show. Move it out. The charger. And let's see. Oh, this is the this is the stick that folds out like so. Yep. It's a tripod, sorry. Yeah, this will come in very handy in our next future videos. And where we go, let's see, leave it here, there. This is the magnet, the famous holder. Some stickers here, which way, phone camera, direction, DJI. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. And then what do we have here? Okay, now we're talking. The main star of the show. This packet is nice, just like DJI makes. I know I should make more unboxing videos, right? Don't worry, I will. Maybe we can be the next unboxing therapy channel. I don't know. Not with 100 subscribers. Also do like, share, subscribe. I'm not sure. This is already charged up. How do you open it? Let's see. I think you pull it up. So there we go. And voila. Some stickers here that I will have to see how and what I can do. The power, these are the, see, now it's just all limp. We'll have to charge it up. I'm not sure if there's any charge. Yeah, this is the power button. Alright, so let's see if does it have any charge. Oh, it powers up. Has some charge. Battery is full. Not sure what the blinking means. And that's it. Oh, there's a trigger right here, by the way. I think this is how it works. Once I get a hold of it, I'll show more. So thank you. Like, share, subscribe.